You're gonna see the most unhappy Clam you've ever seen since your ex-wife? Hey, it's Tyler, and welcome to episode 2 of the Rusty Clam Bake. I forgot all my oil, but I picked up a radiator last weekend. I was supposed to be here when it was 60 degrees out last weekend, but you know, I got the flu, and then my son got the flu, so I spent the last week out of work. But the radiator's in there, and I'll show you the video of pulling it right here. Had to come to the junkyard and pull a radiator out. I'm gonna steal one from a newer model GM truck and just throw it in and try to test it. Probably this one. I think I'm gonna take this one. This one looks like it's gonna be the most intact. Easier than I thought it was going to be.
That's good.
And it works. It doesn't have a huge leak, unless they just made one. Dropping it. Okay. I'd say this one's pretty solid.
I think so.
But today we're going to try to start it and see what happens. So let's do that.
Did you say you don't have any
Brains?
light oil?
No, I
You don't have any?
I got some nuts.
These nuts?
These nuts.
Nice. God, it's gonna run on nuts, apparently.
It's kind of run.
Or the remnants of said nuts.
We got the Gulu hooked up to the terminals. I got the return line plugged off. And fire extinguishers. Very important. Ooh, wide angle. All right, let's do something with it.
All right, go ahead and crank it a little bit. The blower's running again.
I was gonna keep cranking it, but it fired.
Yep.
I got nothing.
You won't have anything. Hold on.
All right.
Contact.
On.
Hit it.
Oh.
Watch for. Do you have an oil pressure gauge?
I have one.
You don't know if it works.
There's
He's gonna come to you.
Okay.
There's some wires coming from it.
Okay.
I'll look at it.
Go ahead and crank it.
I need the boost button.
You need the boost button. My bad. Contact.
Going.
Yeah.
Did he have anything?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just like
Go ahead. Again? Or did it kick? You lost all power, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When the boost pack kicks off, it kills the power to the coil. Yeah, we might need a battery.
All right.
So
To the golf cart.
either that or do you have jumper cables?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if this is your.
That is definitely part.
We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, then.
All right.
Do you have anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. It says correct, but it's not giving us boost. Power?
Power. Cranking.
Crank.
supposed to be running. So I must have done something with the alternator.
You got a blower running. You sure it's off? You gotta shut the fan off. Turn it off, Tyler. God. You know, it looks pristine and then you always end up finding out.
You never know.
You know, it looked great on the outside and then you find out that there's a bad wire somewhere.
It sounded like it was running on about 3.5 cylinders.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. But it seems like, I think the alternator, because it stopped running off the charge pack. Did you see any voltage on the...
Nothing's coming up. I don't think any of the dash works.
Okay.
It's got a full tank of fuel, a full tank of oil, a full tank of power.
Significantly leaking fluid over here.
Oh yeah, that's trans fluid.
Is it?
That's red.
It's bleeding. It's got to be alive to bleed.
Hey, you know what? It's got fluid in it.
Yeah. So you don't have any rubber line, do you?
I got this piece that's just chilling right here. We can reroute it back to itself.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have hose clamps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Did you say yes or no to hose clamps?
I do have them.
Okay.
You know that the hose clamps are really good when they won't tighten.
What?
We'll put the hose clamps on and it'll just blow out the line instead.
Yeah,
The hard line. Once it's empty, it can't leak if it doesn't have any fluid in it.
Then how are you gonna do anything?
That's how my Audi works. It's sprayed booty juice everywhere.
Yeah, love it.
It's looped around. We looped the trans lines around, so that's gonna work great, and it is how it is intended, how God intended.
Yes.
He told me. It's not moving today, probably.
Oh.
Oh, ye of little.
It needs tires and...
Well, the tires are. They got air in them. The tires have air. So I'm
you
not.
ain't moving that far with those things.
All right. Try it again.
Yeah, and then we'll figure out fuel. And do you even have an upper? Yeah, you have upper radiator.
Upper radiator.
And do you have enough coolant to fill this thing?
Yeah.
No.
I got 2 jugs that have various amounts and they're different brands and types.
You got boost.
Boost.
Brag. I'm trying. We're just gonna unplug and remove things until we're good.
You want a flathead?
Oh, it did move. No, I'm a man. I got it. I don't know if that goes to a blower motor or not. Unplug that.
Is it almost done? Like, is it almost running?
It was just running.
Where were you?
Where were you, kid? I don't see any smoke though, Tyler. So
Yeah.
thing is mint. If we see smoke, that's just its soul leaving its body.
Exercise its demons.
Yep. Oh.
Boost.
Hold on. Brake.
Boost. Boost.
It's already on.
No, I don't have any lights.
Try it again.
I got lights.
Okay. Crank it.
Cranking. Boost me.
It's still on. It's unhappy.
It is unhappy.
It's unhappy.
It is snowing so much more than it said it was going to snow.
It's been doing this all day. Where have you been?
It was supposed to be done.
Why don't we plumb in some actual fuel?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we can do that.
I think that's a good.
We can at least dump some in the car.
It's actually sticking now to the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's a lot of snow.
What the hell is
You
going
picked
on?
the worst damn day.
What is going
I'm
on?
Like, it's a freaking blizzard. Are you kidding me?
I just want everybody to know that this was supposed to happen last weekend. It was 60 degrees. This is New England, so yeah. Yeah.
Is it snowing?
It-
This isn't snowing.
I have just the worst case of beard dandruff. Well, we're gonna make this run. It's gonna happen. Oh yeah. It's like 20 degrees now. Oh my God, you can sit in the truck if you want. I was not expecting this. Oh, the truck's getting wet. What the fuck?
No, you're not cold. I have so many layers on right now.
We'll bottle feed it. All right. I don't know if I can get close enough. Oh Jesus, Mary Joseph. All right. All right.
You're gonna have to just.
I'm just gonna, you know.
Hey, get ready with the fire extinguisher just in case.
I don't even know where it is. Oh,
You're sitting next to it.
don't fall.
Oh my God, it's so
Throttle's
slippery.
on this side.
Okay, that's a great plan, actually. Well, what's great about these old square bodies and my GMT 400 over there is that you can literally just climb into the engine compartment if you're not a big guy, and you can just kind of sit in here.
Even if you are a big guy, like I can still
mean-
get in there pretty good.
Listen, the keto's helping you get ready to work on this thing. So as long as the belt doesn't fly off and kill me,
Let's have that not happen today.
that's all right, Hannah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hit the little dingle dangly there.
This thing's
Quick, 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 quick. Let me see if I can fill the bowl up a little bit. Okay, go ahead.
Boost.
Boost.
Boosted.
Our terrible connection may be undone.
Yeah.
Pull the choke.
Oh. What the fuck is that? It'll fire.
It'll be fine.
It's because it's an Edelbrock.
Yeah, it's metal broken. Okay. Oh, I got snow going up my ass crack. Come on, live!
Live.
I need you to live. There may have been too much.
Cranking.
Cranking.
Did a thing.
It did a thing.
That was more
You still got
than-
power too.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Hell yeah. Ready?
Yep. Again.
I'm gonna burn the starter.
Go again. Oh, it's flashing.
If I have to do this many more times, I'm gonna get the one out of the garage.
Right? If it's charged.
The golf cart one?
Yeah.
Well, let's hook the booster up to it.
Oh my God, you're correct. That's a great idea. Will it fit in here? Isn't it a 6 volt? That's fine. Give it a crank.
Still got power?
Yeah, this just popped off.
What? Oh, good.
Oh my God, the GoPro's in my face too. Jesus. Like right, because it doesn't have accelerator pump. Right off of like idle, it's fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's give her a go.
Cranking.
Crank it. Yeah, we got no power.
Yeah, right.
Oh, we lost our special.
Oh, our special guy.
Yeah, you want to just reset that, and we'll see if we can get this wire back in here.
Our special guy.
Oh, my special little guy.
This is my special guy.
Oh, your small special. There we go. Look at that. Jumper's in there. Maybe we'll run off of alternator.
We
again.
have two lights now. We consumed 2 lights worth of jumper.
Wow.
I got the half the goo. I need the loo.
We need the loo in addition to the goo.
All right, ready?
Ready? Still got power. We lost our jumper again.
God damn it.
This fucking wire.
We can put a tapper in there. And screw it down.
Good. Oh, my hand's frozen now.
You're a little frozen?
Huh?
You're a little frozen?
I'm a little frozen. My hands are.
So I killed the battery in my phone and the battery in my dad's jumper. So I'm going to steal the battery out of my dad's golf cart now in his back shed. This is technically the vehicle that I learned to drive on, but so I'm gonna steal that battery. That'll do. All right, take 7,000. I'm trying to get this running. We stole the battery from my dad's golf cart. That's in there now. He'll get it back.
So do we want to see if it'll pull fuel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We gotta put it in this.
Yeah, sure. Because that could probably rest down on what, the frame rail?
Yeah. I got some big zip ties, I think. Maybe. No, I don't.
Well, it's gonna have to drop down in here somewhere.
Yeah, like just
It'll
wedge
literally
it.
just sit in there.
Let me
yeah.
fill it full of gas up to. I'll put it up to like Mr. Nuts. Mr.
Okay.
Nuts. Mr.
Yeah.
Peanuts. Hand.
Mr. Peanut's hand.
This is an approved.
He's probably Dr. Nuts by now. That's an approved container.
They spill it all over the battery first.
Okay. That's a great idea. I like this.
Okay. Put it down. That.
Yeah.
Oh, I broke a bunch of plastic into it.
It won't pull it. It's probably not even gonna pull fuel.
Yeah.
Is it in it? No, it's not in there.
It's not in?
No.
It's in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it touching fuel?
It's
It won't
touching.
run off of literal vapors.
It's touching fuel. Touching fuel.
Touching me. I do believe that ATF is a detergent, so we're helping clean
We're
it, right?
cleaning
And then
it.
gas is also a solvent, so it'll clean up what's left of said.
Is it in?
I can't tell. Is it in?
It's definitely not in. I can't find a good place for it to sit.
Well, I'll hold it here for now.
Okay,
You crank it, and then
fire extinguisher.
yeah,
We'll get that. Taco Bell.
see if we have power. We got fuel.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's pulling?
it's pulling fuel.
Hell yeah! I didn't expect it to also
duct
start.
tape?
I might.
Because you could always tape that.
Yeah.
Like that. Or you said you have zip ties? Oh, it's leaking fuel like a motherfucker.
We should put a hose clamp on it.
We should definitely put a hose clamp on it. Do you have a round screwdriver?
That is a round screwdriver. Oh no, not that. That's not a round screwdriver.
It's
Like it's closed, but I think it's just gonna.
no, pinch it from the end.
I think it's just gonna spray. Now.
Oh, it's already blocked. Job done. Job fucking done. Yeah, look at that. Like a glove.
It's pre-blocked.
Like a glove. Down there. Put a. It goes. It just stopped snowing, and now all of a sudden water's pouring out of the gutter.
It's warm now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't realize it's warm all of a sudden.
Good. Clever girl.
Clever guy. Where's that dinosaur car?
Come on. Oh, you absolute piece of shit.
Still not coming.
It's so loose. There's no way that this thing's holding it on. Eh.
I swear, if I climb it. Oh my god. I was about to climb in there. I was like, alright, now you gotta put this one on. But it's already, this is already good. You just gotta, and then. That. And it sticks right into the fan blade, right?
Yeah.
It does?
No, I get
You fucking twat.
Go on there. You know what? It was between when it was running on 3 and 5
Oh, it's
cylinders.
got a Fram filter too.
Yeah, so that's gonna
That's-
fall apart and destroy the engine.
Hey, it's fine. Is it out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's out of the way enough.
Enough to party. It's fine. The fan clutch is toast anyway. It probably doesn't work.
I thought I had.
Yeah, but I'm impatient.
Good.
Yeah,
Send it.
sure. I don't know why not.
Protect the Baja Blast.
I was just, okay.
All right. Things are on. All right. Starting.
I might need to give it a little bit of.
Is it idling?
It's the Clam, Tyler. We need it for the Clam.
It's running.
the temporary fuel system.
Yeah, oh, the planters. That shit's planted.
Make sure things are still rolling in case. Oh no! Oh no, Tyler!
It died?
The SD card is full.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Now what?
Fire it up, and we'll see how bad it runs if you give it any throttle. Well, I'll work the throttle from here for now.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the choke open.
Oh. Alright.
I think that cable's just seized. That's all.
Alright. Crank it.
Crank.
Oh, she's running. Hell yeah.
We don't know. It's got no brakes.
None?
Whatsoever. Nothing. That's just.
It's
floor.
got park and drive and reverse.
Yes, it does. Now does this? Is the linkage frozen? Oh.
I was shifting before. Yeah.
But we don't know. Okay. All the way down is low.
Yeah.
Low 2 drive. It's got low and low 2. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. That would be reverse. Okay.
Yeah. There it goes. Nothing? Wonder if the linkage is off of it at the trans.
Doesn't feel like it's moving anything. Like you broke it in the column. Or it's got way too little. Might not have any
Not enough fluid. Keys to the shit show.
Now that my ass is
How appropriate.
It was gonna happen one way or another.
Well, it has a motor, but does it have a transmission? Find out next time because I'm cold and we're gonna leave now. I'm gonna buy some parts for it eventually, and then we're gonna put the parts in there, and it's gonna do stuff better than it did today. Thank you for watching another episode of my K30 truck build. I've decided to rebrand the channel as Rusty Clam Garage, as it just seems fitting to name it after the first real build I'm doing. Subscribe now to see everything come together with the K30, as I have some pretty cool plans for it and can't wait to show you all. See you next time right here on Rusty Clam Garage.